And I always question myself how I would behave now if no one
Hmm.
judged me.
Yeah.
No one judged me, how I would behave. Would I sit silent and wait? Or would I
Hmm.
just stand tall in my values and I will not please anyone around? And I will just say loudly where we are with the our values, or the inner conflict where I am and how
Hmm.
I perceive this company and etc. And that question helps me a lot
Yeah.
in those situations. But as you say, it truly takes courage for that person to truly be that paradigm shaker. But at the same time, I as well have such a strong belief, and I've saw it over and over with so many pioneers in the world, that it takes one to start the change. And when you are so obsessed and so aligned, like truly aligned with at the core of your body, that that's what you are aiming for, and that's bigger than your lifetime. I mean, people will follow you, and the
Hmm.
right people will follow you, and you are not here to be a people pleaser, not as a leader. So
No.
yeah, so I that's what I want to see, rewritten narratives and dialogues in those settings.
Yeah.
And
It sounds. Oh, sorry. Go on, Laura.